in 2010, we built this factory. Actually, I will share one example. 8 years back, single day, with my CA, my friend Amit, who was instrumental in this. And from scratch, we built this factory. You can see latest equipments like Nota mixer. Generally, the feed-rated mixer CV is around 3.5% is considered good. But in this mixer, the CV will be less than 0.5%. So uniformity will be important. And all the latest packaging material is there. And you can see our office is very small, but our laboratory and production area is bigger. We don't want to show the office. We want to show the real infrastructure where we can deliver the quality. And I would like to thank all the stakeholders who were involved in building this plant. And my sincere thanks to all our customers, consultants who have supported me till this journey, and I expect same support and same blessings in the future. Thanks to my mother for her blessing. And today, coincidentally, my wife's birthday. So she was instrumental in my life's ups and downs, roller coaster life. And so I'm really happy to inaugurate this plant today. Thank you all. Thank you for coming all the way, taking your time. And I really take this opportunity to thank all of you to your kind support till date. Without your support, this thing would not have been possible. So keep blessing me, keep supporting me, and Optima will deliver the best. Yesterday, a lot of people have seen the presentation and the work what we are doing. Very unique work we are doing, and we want to give back to industry because we have grown because of industry. So you can expect such innovative solution from Optima, and keep trust on us. We will not disappoint you. Thank you very much.